Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with PaySafeCard on Roblox. So let's get into the video. So open up Roblox, and then once you have logged into your Roblox account here, so if you want to make a purchase, for example, like make any purchase for make payment for any of your purchase, for example I'm going to buy Roblox. So if I click on Roblox or any other purchases if you wish to buy, and then when I select it, and then when I get to this payment page here, so this is the payment page, so it gets to this payment page here. So if I want to use my PaySafeCard, then the only way I can do this is by using my PaySafe Mastercard. Only if I have the Mastercard I'll be able to use my PaySafe. So you can simply get a PaySafe Mastercard from PaySafe, so that's pretty easy. So what you can do, you can simply, once you've got your PaySafe Mastercard, so what you can do, you can simply click on this debit card option here, simply select it, and then all you have to do is just plug in the details of your PaySafe Mastercard details here. So plug those details here, so the card, everything details here, and then hit on continue and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.